Have you ever really thought about that bottle of olive oil in your pantry? It's more than just a cooking fat. It's history, agriculture, and science in a bottle. Olive oil is, at its core, fruit juice, the freshly squeezed juice of the olive fruit, 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲. For thousands of years, civilizations have revered this tree for its oil and as a symbol of peace and prosperity. But today, a new chapter is being written in the United States, where farmers blend old-world wisdom with modern innovation. The allure of olive oil lies in its complexity: peppery, grassy, buttery, or fruity, shaped by variety, soil, sun, and careful handling. Understanding this journey connects you to your food in a meaningful way. So let's dive into the groves, get our hands dirty, and watch how a bitter fruit becomes liquid gold. We'll see why California olive oil might be one of the smartest, tastiest additions to your kitchen. This is about more than cooking, it's about understanding the why behind what we eat. The story of American olive oil is one worth knowing. Ready to explore? Let's get started. Scene transition. Why California? Olive trees crave a Mediterranean climate, hot, dry summers, and mild, wet winters. California mirrors the ancestral homes of the olive Spain, Italy, and Greece. Franciscan missionaries brought olives here in the 1700s, laying the foundation for today's industry. For years, most California olives went into cans, but recently, growers have focused on high-quality extra virgin oil. Now, California produces over 99% of U.S. olive oil, with diverse geography supporting a range of varietals. Spanish 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 and 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 thrive in the Central Valley, yielding mild, fruity oils. In Sonoma and Napa, Italian varietals like Frantoio and Lacino create robust, peppery oils. This diversity means California offers a spectrum of flavors for every palate. While other states are joining in, California remains the leader, thanks to its climate, history, and innovation. Institutions like the UC Davis Olive Center drive research and quality. California's groves are now a source of some of the world's freshest olive oil. Olive trees are a legacy, living for centuries and producing fruit for generations. New groves take years to mature, with early focus on strong roots and healthy structure. Spring brings clusters of tiny blossoms, but only a few become olives, pollinated mostly by the wind. Through the hot summer, olives swell as growers carefully manage water and protect against pests. Inside each olive, oil content rises, storing the sun's energy as flavor. As autumn nears, olives change color, verisons signaling ripening. Green olives yield robust, peppery oils rich in antioxidants. Black, ripe ones give softer, buttery oils. The timing of harvest is crucial, determining the oil's flavor and quality. Every year is a careful balance of nature and nurture. The grower's decisions shape the final product. It's a cycle of patience and precision. Each harvest is a culmination of a year's work. The grove is always looking ahead to the next season. When olives reach peak ripeness, harvest is a race against time. Once picked, olives start to oxidize and ferment. Speed is essential for quality oil. In traditional groves, hand harvesting with gentle tools protects the fruit. In large orchards, mechanical harvesters shake or sweep olives off trees, working fast to preserve freshness. The goal: get olives from tree to mill within hours, not days. Quick transport and processing are what separate mediocre oil from exceptional. Every minute counts. The year's work hangs in the balance. The harvest is high stakes, high energy, and critical for quality. Only the freshest olives make the best oil. At the mill, the transformation from fruit to oil begins. First, olives are cleaned, leaves and debris blown away, then washed. Clean fruit goes into a hammer mill, crushed into a thick paste. The paste is gently mixed in a malaxer, allowing oil droplets to combine. Temperature is kept low. Cold pressing preserves flavor and nutrients. Next, a centrifuge spins the paste, separating oil from solids and water. The pure green oil flows out, ready for settling and bottling. Stainless steel tanks protect the oil from light, heat, and air. Every step is about preserving freshness and flavor. Modern methods ensure quality and consistency. The result: vibrant, aromatic, extra virgin olive oil. From grove to bottle, it's a process of care and precision. This is how liquid gold is made. Why choose California olive oil? It's about more than taste. Buying domestic supports American jobs, from farmers to millers to marketers. California growers lead in sustainability, using water-saving irrigation and eco-friendly pest control. Domestic oil offers transparency. harvest dates and clear origins. Imported oils often fall short on quality and freshness. Supporting local producers means investing in food security and independence. You know where your food comes from and how it's made. Choosing American oil builds a resilient, trustworthy food system. It's a smart, sustainable choice for your kitchen and community. The journey ends at your table, where fresh olive oil transforms a meal. American olive oil is more than a cooking fat. It's a finishing touch and a celebration of local agriculture. Fresh, authentic oil is packed with polyphenols, antioxidants that support health and flavor. Locally produced oils retain more of these benefits than imports. Use robust oils for vinaigrettes or finishing soups, mild oils for baking or drizzling on desserts. Explore the diverse flavors from California and beyond to elevate your cooking. Look for harvest dates and local stories on the bottle. Every purchase supports farmers and sustainable practices. You're not just buying oil, you're joining a delicious revolution. The story of American olive oil is still being written. Bring the freshest flavors to your table and be part of the next chapter.